Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate various inhibitory techniques described by the Rhodes, and the first technique is gentle shaking or rocking. This technique can apply to the head or to the other part of the body. With this technique we can achieve general relaxation by moving the head slowly and rhythmically in circumdictory manner. This technique can also be applied upper extremity as well as lower extremity. To apply this technique correctly, approximation should be given prior to moving the extremity or the head. The next inhibitory technique is slow rolling. In this technique, patient is rolled slowly from supine lying to prone and back in a rhythmical pattern. It is used in both sides of the body. This technique also results in general relaxation and also help in decrease in abnormal tone. Next inhibition technique is neutral warmth. This technique can be applied in the patient with supine laying position with a warm blanket is wrapped over the patient's body for 5 to 20 minutes. This technique can affect the temperature receptors that is present in the hypothalamus and also activated the parasympathetic nervous system. This technique is very much beneficial with the patient with hypertonia or increased tone. Technique is slow stroking. So this technique can be used for relaxation and inhibition for the patient. In this procedure, the patient is in a prone lying position while the therapist apply a rhythmical deep pressure over the dorsal rami of the spine and fingers are moved occiput to the coccyx in the alternate fashion. This technique should not be exceed more than 3 minutes as this can cause rebound phenomenon. So next inhibition technique is tendinous pressure. So in this technique, therapists apply manual pressure over the tendinous insertion of the muscle. This technique is applied at least 2 to 3 minutes to ensure the inhibition of stretch reflex, which results in significant reduction in muscle tone of spastic muscle.